How to use ActLearn2. Users can use electronic textbooks on an app called ActLearn2, which is available as an app or on the browser. On the app, users can access already downloaded textbooks offline. Users may use the textbooks on up to 3 devices simultaneously, and the textbooks are synced when connected to the Internet. Users cannot export or print textbooks from their bookshelf to prevent unauthorized use. There are many functions and features to help students with their studies. You do not have to carry heavy textbooks, and you can use the textbooks at home, during class, in the field, or during your commute. With the highlighter or text box functions, users can mark portions that are important or take notes. Moreover, users can make multiple edits without the textbook becoming worn out and have it synced across their devices. Users can also display multiple textbooks or programs such as PowerPoint, Word, Zoom, and Teams. Now we will show a brief demo. This is the bookshelf. When you click the cover image, the viewer will open. This is the viewer screen. First is the page scrolling function. The top and bottom buttons allow you to flip to the next or previous page. The button with 3 lines opens the table of contents, where you can jump to a specific chapter. This button allows you to enter the page number to jump to a desired page. This is the thumbnail feature, where you can visually browse the pages. With the button on the far right, you can enlarge the thumbnails and click the desired page. Aside from these functions, you can use your mouse, finger, or the keyboard left and right arrows to flip through the pages. Next, you will see a row of buttons on the far right side of the screen. The top icon shows the current function being used. You will see that this will change when you are using a different function. The triangle button allows you to select the mode. The simple triangle is the standard mode, where you can flip or drag the page, but cannot edit text boxes or other annotations. The second triangle allows you to select the text. The third triangle allows you to move the text boxes or edit other annotations. If you click the top or the bottom button, it will return to the previous menu. This is the zoom function. You can select a portion of the page to zoom in and use the slider to adjust the size. When the top button shows the triangle, you can drag and move the screen. Click the top button to return to the previous menu. Next is the highlighter. You can choose the color and highlight the text. You can also use the undo and redo buttons. Return and click the top button to return to the previous menu. This is the text box function. You can draw a box and enter the text, which can be used for taking notes during class. You can adjust the box size or move the text box. Click the Edit button to change the fill, the outline, or text color. You can also make comment bubbles and adjust accordingly. You can simply draw a box to mark a portion of the textbook. Return to the previous menu. Next is a function to make handwritten notes, like this. Or you can underline the text. Click the top button to return to the previous menu. If you drag the edge of the screen to make the viewer smaller, you can change the display to one page. Tobita 1 Beginning Japanese has supplementary audio. If you click the audio button, another window will pop up to play the audio. The first click starts the download, so once the download is complete, please click it again to start playing. You can adjust the size to use other programs at the same time. This allows you to listen to the audio while reading the textbook. This concludes our demo, but feel free to contact us if you have any questions via email or from our inquiry page.